One of the problems that most students have is the abstraction. It's the fact that when we show them a diagram, it is a two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional space. And so they look at the diagram and they don't really follow it. So any development we can do so that when people look at one of our diagrams, it seems to them that they are looking in three-dimensional space, I think makes a big difference as to their the accessibility of the information in the diagram. And then being able to play with it is actually even nicer, the fact that you can adjust things and you can see how things change. It will maintain student interest and it will let them develop more experience.
Teachers could use it as examples, or it can be used as a demonstration or a class exercise or something like that.
I think the app would be extremely beneficial in classes such as physics and calculus.
I think for the vast majority of students, it's when the student goes home and do they feel inclined to click on the software and play with it. And I think if it's the traditional two-dimensional rendering, it's kind of fun, but it's not real. And I think that's what's exciting me about the fact that this is immersive, is I think it will make it more fun, and therefore students will be more inclined to click on it and then play. And all that play is informal education, and all that play makes them into better, we talk about developing your physics gut feeling, and that comes from informal play. And so I think that the more immersive the experience is, the more likely a student is to do it, and therefore the more experience they'll get from
it. Yes.
Definitely.
I wanted to play it after I saw it at first, so that's the first step.
Can be a next step, because in this case in particular, I don't have a Canon at my house, but I could use that Canon in the virtual world.
Students have in physics is doing IJKs in 3 dimensions, so actually being able to see it in 3 dimensions helps with that.
I think it's pretty relatively inexpensive.
Can you give me a number?
$50 to $100 per classroom.
What would you say if I tell you the cost of the technology, if a student brings the phone, it's $5?
That's incredible.